Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got to another video. In this video I'll show you how you can see who logged into your Facebook account. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. For that, go ahead, open up your Facebook app, and then simply go ahead, tap on this three horizontal line on top left corner, scroll, tap on settings and privacy, and tap on settings again. Then from this section, you simply have to tap on account center, and then simply have to go to this account settings section and tap on password and security. Then tap on where you are logged in, and then go ahead, tap on your Facebook account to see how many devices you're connected with. And then you will be able to check out how many devices you're logged in with. You can see I'm logged in with my current device, and that's where I am logged into. If you have logged in on other devices, you will find the section here, logins on other devices, and you will find the list of devices named right over here, including the location. If in case you have those, you can simply go ahead, tap on them, and you can tap on the log out option that will be given at the bottom. That's all you need to do. So I hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys in our next video.